everyone, Jaleesa here from my bedroom, working from home and practicing social distancing. Hashtag flatten the curve, right? So I am sure with a lot of us working from home, we've all seen the increase in video meetings. So of course, you want to look put together, but you don't want to put in that much work since you're at home, right? I mean, who really wants to change out of their pajamas, right? So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this super easy 5-minute makeup for a video meeting look, keep watching. Super easy, I promise. So, starting with clean skin, the easiest way to take care of any kind of dark circles or hyperpigmentation is just to spot conceal. Just use a concealer or a foundation that's close to your skin tone. Just dot it on into all your problem areas. And just to make it even simpler, just blend it out with a clean finger. We're not looking for perfection here, okay? Next is eyes. The simplest way for me to define my eyes is a liner and mascara. So I use a liquid liner to line my eyes. Again, does not have to be perfect. The camera isn't HD. It's not like you're going on TV, it's fine. And then you just throw on a nice mascara to give your eyes some extra definition, make you look a little bit more awake, and then your eyes are done. Lastly is your lips. The last step to looking put together is just swiping on some lip gloss that can be seen as like a My Lips But Better color, and it'll just make it look like you put in a lot of work with a little bit of effort. And that's it. You're ready for your video meeting. You can find all of the categories of the products I talked about today and many more at shopmyexchange.com at 15% off MSRP every single day. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye guys.